Hi, Ed Akehurst here. We're going to be going through some tutorials for Genius Pages, which is our website and funnel builder. And it's still in beta right now, and there are no tutorials inside the software itself. So I'm going to be doing these. Here is, if you don't already have the product, you can go to edsays.net/builder and pick up a copy. If you go there, you can get a free account. It'll just host one website or one funnel, or you can buy an early adopter special and get it nice and cheap and have unlimited accounts. And you can just go there. And again, there aren't any tutorials, so just check my YouTube channel for tutorials. We're going to be doing a whole series. If you have any questions, go to ed@edakehurst.com in your email and send me an email and let me know what the problem is, and I will be more than happy to help you. So take some time, go through the tutorials, play around with it, have fun, build yourself lots of great funnels and hopefully some great websites, and enjoy. Let me know if you need any help.